Hey, 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 I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. I had a busy morning. This morning I went to the gym, got back, and clean a bit. And now I got myself some flowers, so I'm trying to create a little bouquet. Normally I take my flower vase and let them do it, but I decide to do it myself. Don't ask me why. I like to do things the hard way, I guess. So I'm just organizing this right now to see how it looks and then cut accordingly, because I already create a mess. I don't want to destroy the rest of what's going on. So I'm just putting them to see how to cut, if I need to cut. And then I'm going to put soap and bleach, so that with soap and bleach, what that does is help preserve the plant for like a week or so. So I cut. Oh, nice. I like the arrangement we got going on here. I got one sunflower. This one is going to go in the middle. Big girl on the side here. Damn. Why do I like to choose hard battles? Should have just taken this and have the lady cut it. Now I have to take it out, put the soap and water on, a bit of bleach, and then put this back in. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So yeah, I'm going to take this out and get the water and the bleach in. I have bleach and soap, and I'm going to put this back as I arrange it. Hopefully it looks as good as it was before. Yes. And this is what we have. Out in the street, como callejero. This is the week of meeting up with all old friends and heading to my alma mater, they say, alma mater here in Mexico City, to catch up with an old friend. And of course I'm always waiting on an Uber or walking. I just done got chatting with my friend Joe. Oh my goodness, it was so good. And now I'm walking through the park, maybe to get something to eat or head back home. Let's see what I get up to. Let me see if I can find food, because food is always a good idea. I discovered this cute store called Kingfisher. Se llama Kingfisher?
Sí, exacto.
¿Usted es Kingfisher?
¿Perdón?
¿Usted es Kingfisher?
No, se llama la pierna, sí.
They're not open. They're not open. They're only open on Tuesday to Sunday. They're not open on Monday. Yeah, I'm gonna look for food. Alrighty. Have a good day. I'll see you later.
See you later. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I am in this store called Carmen Rion, where they have pieces from Chiapas, and I like this piece. There is a hand, there is the moon, there are eyes, and I like yellow. Food is always a good idea, so I am in a Japanese restaurant recommended by Martha from the store where I got my hand or dress from. She recommended this place, so I am here to check it out. I've never been, and I'll tell you how it is at the end. The ramen with veggies. Today was a beautiful day, like every other day. I met up with my friend Joe, catch up, and I stopped by a new store in Roma, Fisher, and spend money where I shouldn't spend it. Bought a pants because it had a lot of pattern and imagery in it, and you have to look at the detail to see it. And then I went to Daikon, was recommended by Martha, who is the lady in the store. It was delicious. I guess because I like soup, and soup is the closest thing to tea, just with veggies, meat and egg and all these stuff. Delicious stuff. The noodle was really, really nice. And now I am here with Andy, taking him out to have some fun time too, and then I'll wrap up my evening. Sit. So I'm gonna end the video right here by saying stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. It has been an amazing day, and I hope it's an amazing day for you. If not, I hope tomorrow is a better day for you. Bye bye.